The classic individual staining technique is the ideal choice for highly detailed and creative restorations. It allows for intense customization and staining through separate stain and glaze firings. Prepare the restoration surface as described in the technical guide, ensuring it's smooth without sharp edges or ridges and free of grease and debris. Before use, thoroughly mix the IPS e.max Ceram Art pastes in the jar with a clean, metal-free spatula to achieve a uniform consistency. If desired, different pastes can be blended on a mixing pad to get an even greater variety of shades. The pastes can be diluted with IPS e.max Ceram Art Universal Liquid to adjust the viscosity as needed. Make them more flowable for larger surfaces or creamier for precise detailing. Start by coating the dental surfaces with a thin layer of IPS e.max Ceram Art Magic Glaze Fluo, either alone or slightly diluted. This ensures consistent wetting and a reliable base for the application of the subsequent shade layers. For the gingival area, apply the Illusion Gingiva pastes directly. No prior wetting with glazing material is required. A glaze layer is not required since the Illusion Gingiva pastes produce a natural self-gloss. First, apply Illusion Gingiva base to the gingival area. Next, work on the base shade of the teeth. For this, use the Shade Dentin and Incisal pastes. Create smooth transitions to avoid harsh ridges. Now characterize the teeth using Essence and Illusion pastes. Essence pastes are ideal for reproducing specific details such as fissures, cracks, ridges, or aging effects. Illusion pastes create optical effects such as the halo effect. Now perform the first stain firing cycle using the recommended firing parameters. In the Programmat furnaces from Ivoclar, the firing program is already pre-installed and ready to select. To intensify the effect, repeat the application of characterization materials and firing process. The shade effect emerges from several thin layers, not from a single thick layer. Finally, apply undiluted glaze on the teeth in an even layer to give gloss and protection. Now characterize the gingival area using the Illusion Gingiva pastes. Finish with a final stain and glaze firing. The result, a highly customized, aesthetic restoration that seamlessly blends with the natural dentition.